This is a 2006 Lexus RX 330 with impeccable service records. Timing belt, water pump are done at 77,000 miles. Gorgeous car. Pearl white, needs nothing. Michelin tires are in amazing condition. Power rear liftgate works. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Probably the cleanest 06 you're going to find on the market. Super clean vehicle. Has a moonroof. Leather seats, power seats, heated seats, original floor mats. 98,000 miles. No cracked dash. Leather seats are like new. Heated seats. Just super clean for its age. So this is a 2006 Lexus RX 330, 98,000 miles with amazing service records. Timing belt, water pump done at 77K in absolutely wonderful condition.